in the morning. We are heading right now in BC.
So yun guys, nandito kami sa Ghost Lake. Nag-stop over muna kami kasi
Mommy, we are in
magmimerienda muna.
I've seen a goose or a goat.
Yan ang hummus at saka ang aking homemade pita from last night. So soft.
Oh, no, that's a boat.
Dipping sauce.
6, 7. I'll eat for tuna.
Go na tuna.
A perfect day on the water, good weather, stunning scenery, and quality time with the family I love. Ghost Lake, you are beautiful.
Wow, baby.
Did we just pack up stuff for camping?
So dito kami sa Yoho Park. Yoho Lake. Wow!
Oh my god, 它太远了吧！
Recording. Wait.
Look at the beautiful view.
Natural bridge pala.
So this is the limestone. That's where it's white.
Yo, look at me.
Mommy took a picture for my birthday. Yahoo! We're in the side, so the black stone.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Korean Japanese. Gusto ni Talia. Hindi kami natuloy sa Lake Louise.
Wait,
Kami dito kasi 9 o'clock pa kami hindi nakain. Pita lang kinain namin. So ayan ang birthday gift.
How I need to buy for it?
Kumain muna kami dito kasi gutom na, pasal na kami anong 2:30. Wala pa kaming kain. Kaya kumain muna kami dito. So ayan guys, punta kami ng Save On. Bibili kami ng tag dito ng we buy soup
and ice cream.
and ice cream. De bala. Kasi busog na kami. Parang hindi na kami mag-meet mamaya. Meron akong slice dito na steak. Yun lang muna. Tapos tomorrow, bibulit kami ng meat. Ayun yung kagandahan dito sa pagcampingan namin. Meron kaming near supermarket in the campsite. Tapos ayun, nag-aantay kami ng matapos itong train.
PWT!
So ayan, magsa-save on kami. Bili kami ng pang soup. You want me here? On this to.
No, two.
It's brown.
Look at the under.
Ito na kami ng aming campsite. 8 minutes lang from groceries.
Oh, why they have a river? Yeah. Second.
Ayun ang kanilang mga campsite. May doon sa ilalim ng mga puno. Dito naman sa mga walang puno ay mga RVs. Ito ang aming campsite. Lakas ang hangin. Ayun ang mga campsite nila. Dito. Mayroon pa doon. Mayroon pa dito. So ayun guys, buksan namin ng pang mosquito. Thermal. Hindi na gumana tong isa. Where's the other? 10 feet. Ang layo. Ayun na guys. Thermal. 15 feet zone. So, ayan ang kay Talia at saka kay Nathan. Yun ang amin ni Ron. Yan ang aming buhay camping. Aming camping life.
Hi guys. I found this torch. Far. This torch, but it's actually that was far. I found it. Just plant.
Shaky.
And also I found this, but I just found it near to here. Not far near to the torch. It was near to the campsite where we are now. But
Tea time and coffee time. Drinking tea and just play there. Mauulan yata, oh.
Covering with the.
Record. So, ito yung aming for men. This men toilet. Mount 3 Magic. Stop only. This for laundry. Laundry. And this the toilet. Family. And this toilet. Oh. Clean and good smell. Have vendors. Yan, this is yung washroom. Wash house. Then, dyan yung toilet, washing machine. Pwede ka maligo sa loob. Meron party. So, itong aming dinner. Isang steak lang kasi mga busog pa naman. Kumain kami sa restaurant kanina. Tag dito. Sa Korean, Japanese restaurant and soup. Ito yung hiwain ko. Tapos, cooler. To wash off. Guys, ang aming view. Let's cook dinner, soup, and steak. So this is my homemade bread. Ito naman ang aking husband. What you... tag dito? Nanguha ng sanga.
So I do like a belt,
Okay.
and then like a belt here,
Okay.
and then
Go.
wow.
And my bread. Homemade bread.
Yeah. What about the
Natin ng corn. So, ayan ang aming dinner. Soup, mushroom. Bukasan na kami ulit magluluto. So, ayan, titikman na ang aking homemade bread and soup.
How do I feel to refresh? Secrets I will I take go to undecided just yet?
So, cut. Wow, so. So, yun ang aming pagkain. Bread and soup. Ito naman steak and soup and corn. No, eat.
other material?
So, ito ang aming first night. Si Talia ay naglalaro ng Uno sa loob.
Uno.
So, see you tomorrow. Massage.
Uno. What is it?
Wait, look at. Show,
Uno, the games.
show me.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like and share to my mom's video. Bye bye.